Happy birthday to you, it's your special day.
Hi, happy birthday!
Stella, wish namin sa'yo good health and focus ka sa study mo. And yun, wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
Bye! Hi, Be, happy birthday! And stay pretty kind and healthy. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana huwag ka nang malilit. Okay, ha? Huwag ka nang malilit, Be. 18 ka na. Bilis-bilisan natin, okay? Eme lang. Ayan lang. Sana hindi ka na malate, okay? Happy birthday, okay?
Happy birthday, Kristela. Sana hindi ka na maging mabagal kumilos, be. 18 ka na, be. Ayusin mo.
Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you. And always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrate!
Happy birthday, Alfaro. Enjoyin mo lang yung araw na to. Maging masaya ka. Nangiiyak ka?
Hi, Ate Ella. Happy 18th birthday. I hope na maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And I wish for you I be kind and be respectful to others. And again, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Ella, happy 18th birthday. My wish for you is that you will always be kind to your parent and always remember that we love you so much. And again, happy 18th birthday, Ate Ella.
Birthday, Ate Ella. Love you.
Birthday, Ate Ella, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ella. Happy birthday, Tita Ella. From Justin, Ate Tin.
Binabata kita, aking kapatid. Ella, happy birthday. Enjoy mo itong araw na to, ha. Pasensya ka na kung hindi makapunta si Kuya dyan sa birthday mo. Alam mo naman yung busy sa work. Enjoy mo itong araw na to at mag-ingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
You're 18 years old, you're 18 years old, you're 18.